Guys, if you're watching this from Ayamara, please subscribe to our brother Samson, the roadman.
Hi, good morning guys, and welcome to today's video. My name is Samson, the roadman, and we're starting our video from here today. I'm your Zambian YouTuber. I do travel videos and farming content as well as real estate property reviews, and we are here in our village where we are actually building a wall fence. So for the sake of those that are new, this side was built already and the other side was built, and then the builders decided to disappear on us. So now we've taken it upon ourselves to actually build this side, because this is about 40 meters that remained from this entrance here. This is our entrance. It's a 6.5 entrance. So going from here to the other side, that's where we are working on. So yesterday I actually showed you guys this part where the guys that were doing some landscaping had left a bit of, I think there should be some work to be done still, but it's just because the ground is become hard, because this was used to be an ant-hill. So now as they were digging, the ground became very hard for them, so they couldn't continue. We're going to wait until it rains a little bit so that it becomes softer, and then they'll continue pulling a bit of this soil which is here, taking it on this other side. And if we don't get enough soil from this ant-hill here, we will go, there's another ant-hill somewhere, or somewhere where we can actually get like soil to come and make sure that this compound is leveled, you know, like straight. It may not be perfect, but we need to try. We need to get to the level where we want it to be. So here is too low, so we need to pour more soil. Okay, but let me show you from where we are actually working from today. Okay, yesterday we did a bit of work. Yes, significant work actually. And today we intend to continue with the same spirit. Okay, so this is the wall fence, guys. You can see from here, this little one, the one that built it from scratch, guys, from scratch. So this is the wall fence here. Yesterday we worked on this part mainly. These 4 courses, 1, 2, 3, 4. This was used to be open. You can see from here, ready. The job is here, guys. So 1, 2, 3, 4, we added them yesterday, but as you can see from here, it's still open here, so we need to add 2 more courses. We started this one, so it has to go all the way up to here, and then we add another one, which is the 10th course, and then we try and start adding, because there will be now 3 more courses that will be remaining. So today we're actually going to start from there. We see if we can actually build from the top. Yeah, but for that one you need some ladder to stand on, or some what do you call them? Yeah, something to stand on, so that you're able to see what you're doing on top there. Otherwise things can go shagara bagara. Yeah, but let's see how we proceed from here today. I'll keep you guys posted, but welcome to today's video. If you're new here, kindly consider subscribing, turn on the bell notification, so that whenever I do post a new video, you guys won't miss any single of my upload. Okay, we are here in our village and we're very proud being here. Please support us by liking the video. As I keep producing more content, guys, you get to even understand why we are doing what we are doing. So make sure that you also support us where you can by donating to the channel. You can give super thanks. You can give even direct like what remit, just for us to complete this project. Remember that there's a gate that needs to be done. Yeah, we still need like a gate. Oh guys, if I get a proper gate, that can be very good for this. For entrance here, we need a good gate, guys. Very good, great. Yeah, so if you're willing to support me financially, please go ahead. There's a number on this screen or on my channel. You can check me out, WhatsApp me, and yeah, send whatever that you can. I will really appreciate. Okay, I'll keep you posted as we progress. For today, guys, thank you so much for coming back to the channel, those that are returning, and I want to welcome all those that are new here. My name is Samson. Let's go. Alright guys, let me give you this update, and I think this is going to be our final update for the day. Looks like it's going to rain, but it's just too windy again for the rains, you know. So I don't think it will rain actually, you know. So but we are here in our village, guys, and trying to see. So I've removed these stones. These stones were there. So they came out of a pit which was dug somewhere there. Yeah, so we removed these stones. These are actually going to go in the sock away, but we're going to buy more for the sock away. These are not enough. Okay, so let me give you guys the update for the day. But you can see how the inside looks like. This is the wall I've been building myself, going all the way to the entrance right there. You know, there, that's the entrance. So this is the wall that we've been building, and I've been building it. Hey, it has taken me quite a while. If those guys that we had hired would have done it like in 4 days, they would have been done with the 1,000 blocks. But now they decided to abandon us and then go and work somewhere else. Okay, but I started building it a few days ago. Well, almost a week ago. So I've been building from here. This is this pillar here going all the way to the corner there. I started by myself until I reached somewhere like around the 7th course. Then I got a helper who came to support me so that I can actually be mixing the soil, the building sand, I mean. Yes, guys. Otherwise, this is how it looks. This is how it looks. This is our wall. It's quite straight. I can't complain. It is straight. And I'm very, very happy. So today we've added this course on top. This is the 11th course. 11th, guys. So the 12th one is going to be somewhere here. The 12th course. Okay, this is the 11th one. So we're going to go up to 13 courses. So we've added this, but our main job was to fill up this part, you know, from here going down there, these 2 panels, and we have at least covered them. You can see from there, from this pillar here, this panel and then the other panel. So we've built all the way to here, which is super good. And our compound is right there, guys. Take a look. That's our little compound over there where we're going to build our house. Okay, now let's take a look at this other side. So all this has been done by myself from this corner going all the way to the entrance there, and I'm very proud of myself for this work, guys. I never knew that I can actually do this better than these guys. These guys, they didn't do a good job on this wall. It's bent. It goes straight, but then it does like this, straight and then like this. Somewhere up there from this course here, the 10th course. It's windy today, guys, very windy. But if you check from the bottom here, they started very well. Like from this corner, I'm able to see the far end of this line. But now as you progress, as you go upwards from somewhere here, these 4 courses, the last 4 courses were not well done. You know, but if you look on this other side, from this corner, I'm able to see the last the last thing on the other side. I'm able to see the end of this line. That's what I mean. Which is good. So it's very straight, guys, very straight. And I've built up to the 10th course here, and now we've started the 11th course. We hope everything goes well. I'm going to be patient with the last 3 courses, because I know that's where issues can actually suffice. So this is the work that we've been able to do today, guys. I want to say thank you so much for those that have been coming to watch my videos. I really appreciate you guys. It's quite a journey that I've undertaken, just to see that there's progress here in my village, just to show you guys around. Let me go on top. Yeah, right, this is our compound. That one over there, guys, this is our orphans, the orphans that we are building, going all the way there. That's where I'm from, that corner. You can see that's our compound over there. That's it. That's how it looks. Okay, so we're very happy that at least there's some progress that we're able to see, because if I was going to wait for builders, maybe they would have taken ages, for them to just come, because I tried almost 8 groups of builders. They were all promising, saying that, hey, we are going to come the following morning, but they never showed up. Okay, we'll come. No, we are engaged, and things like that. So it was story after story. So I took it upon myself to just exercise my observations, like things that I've been observing while supervising builders. This is one of the things that I learned, that indeed I can build something like this. So I had to put it into practice, of which I think I've tried. I don't know what you guys think. This is the wall fence that we built. We're going to add from here. We are going to add 3 more courses. Okay, so let's see how it's going to go. But this is a little compound, and how it's looking from here. See, going all the way to that fence on the other side. Yeah, very happy, guys. Remember to smash the like button if you've just bumped into this video. My name is Samson, the Roadman. I'm a Zambian YouTuber. I do travel videos, farming content, as well as real estate videos. So I'm very happy, and I also do look for land or property for people. If somebody is looking for a house to buy, somebody is looking for a plot, a piece of land to buy, they can actually get in touch with me, and yeah, we see how we can actually help each other. I do charge. That's the bottom line. Anyway, I do charge as well. That's yeah, that's why others may say no, but why are you charging and things like that, because I also have a family to feed. Yes, guys, but yeah, I love the wall here, and it does come out so well, I think, so far. So I'm adding the 11th course over here, and very soon we're going to add 2 more right here. So yeah, let's see how it's actually going to go, like tomorrow. Tomorrow, okay, tomorrow we are not working. Actually, tomorrow we are not working. We are going to work some other day. Saturday, actually, we are going to work. But then if you guys want to support me, you can get in touch with me. There's a WhatsApp line on this particular video, so make sure that you get in touch with me and support me, guys, if you can, so that we finish this project and I keep producing videos for you. I keep giving you information, yeah, it may be good if I find look at that, guys, there it goes. So if I find that I applied for a passport, I hope it's gonna be. I hope it's out because it has been quite. I think even one plus months. So I hope it's out. So I'm going to see it if it's there tomorrow. Yeah. Let's see if it's there. If it's out, I'll be very happy. But if they've rejected, there's nothing I can do. Hey. Yeah, but this is where we are, guys. Our wall fence has taken shape. You can see from here. I'm very happy with this. Very proud of what we are able to do here. This is all my work, guys. Building as untrained builder. Building a perimeter wall as untrained builder in my African village. Yes, guys. So this is a village, guys. It's called Kahale Village. Kahale Village is located after 7070 Road, Jamaica, Kahale. Others see Barrastone. I think Barrastone is the most famous place here. So there's Barrastone, then there's Jamaica, and then there's Kahale Village. Yes, guys. So Kahale Village, this is where we are, and development is taking shape here very fast, and we are part of it. Because as you can see, we are also developing our area. So we are developing Kahale a bit by bit. So it is what it is. And I've just seen that these guys, they left their hammer here. This is a hammer. Somebody left it here. These guys that were doing the landscaping. Okay. So guys, thank you so much for coming back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. If you've just bumped into this video, my name is Samson once again, and I'm actually going to end my video from here today. I'll see you in the next one. I hope to see you in the next one, actually. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care of yourselves. Bye.